Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to change app icons theme on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just tap here to the display section. Now just go to the styles section, and here you can see our default theme on our device, and here we can create our own theme. Just tap here on the plus. Here you can choose a font. For example, we'll go in with this one. Now just tap here to next, and here you can select the color of your applications and icons. For example, we can go with the green one. Now just tap here to next, and here you can choose the new icon shape from your applications. Now for example, we can go with this one. Now just tap here to next. Here you can select the layout. We'll stay with the default one, and now here you can rename your theme. For example, we'll enter the my theme, and now just tap to done, and as can you see, we just created our own theme on our icons. Now just we will apply, and as can you see, we got here the message that the theme applied successfully. And as can you see, all our applications changed to the another theme, and colors there of our icons is another, and the shape of our icons. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.